What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you, what's goody, what's good, guys? I wanted to take some time out and I wanted to shoot this video today. But first things first, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button, because good vibes come to you if you give good vibes, as well. So they come back if you give them. And also, once you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you can be alerted of any new videos that we drop or anything like that, okay? But guys, I want to say thanks for watching my video today. It's been I haven't shot a video in a couple days here, so it was time. I always talk about videos and how important it is to shoot videos so people can build relationships with you guys. So that's why I always shoot videos, so you can understand, you can see what I'm seeing. You can see the person, you can feel the emotion with it, and that's why I like shooting, okay? But I wanted to talk about, how a lot of people are dependent on their employer.
And don't worry, I'll do my very best to get this job that I so crave.
Now, one thing that you want to do is recognize, guys, is that the job field, employment is not for the normal person. The richer want to get richer, guys. Like, that's just it. If you look at a lot of the CEOs out there, these guys are making a lot of money. If you look at, let's just, for an example, AT&T CEO. Randall Stevens makes $24 million a year. Then you got all the executive guys right below him that's making, 10 million, 15 million as well. So think about the company and how they're letting off jobs and how people are losing their jobs and their family is getting in situations now because they want to be greedy. I'm sorry. These companies, they want to be greedy and they want to pay you peanuts. So if you don't have a union or anything in place that is going to help you or say, hey, you know what? Let's help pay for their insurance. Let's help pay for this. Let's give them this type of, benefit or this type of incentive. So when those companies, guess what? Those guys at the top, they don't want to give you nothing. They don't want to give you nothing. They're like pulling teeth. That's why most companies don't want to have unions or anything, simply because these main companies are making all the money. They don't want to give it to you. So that's why you got to have somebody to fight for you. But what I'm here to talk to you guys about today is why it's important to start working on your side business until your side business becomes your main business, and then your job becomes a side hustle, or then you can simply replace it. Because you want to look at the freedom at the end of the day. Of course, he's making all that money, but also he's able to spend time with his family. That money that we're putting back into their pockets and things like that, or that we're putting when we're paying bills and things like that. Guess what? We're paying for private schools. We're paying for all their extracurricular activities, things like that. But what are you doing for yourself? Who's helping you and your family? So that's why I'd rather shoot a video and tell you guys, look, start focusing on yourself. Get something that you can do to make money to eventually replace that. So then that way you're not trading time for wages. And I mean little wages, because if they're making the big money, guess who's at the bottom? The small guy. The small guy's not making no money. So what exactly are you going to be doing for yourself? Are you going to wait until they tell you that you're going to have a raise? Or are you going to wait until they tell you that you can take these days off? Because usually when you do that, you got to fight what? Seniority. People that are at the top, people that are higher than you, to get the first dibs on vacations, to get the first dibs on when things are going on. And that sucks. But when you are able, or when you learn a skill, you're able to go and maneuver a lot differently than what you would have did if you were to go get a second job. If I was to go and tell someone to go get a second job, because guess what you're going to be doing? You're going to be taking a lot of time away from your family. And who wants to leave their family? Who wants to take more time away from their family? You want to spend more time with your family. And the best way to do that is to start an online business. Okay? Now, when I talk about online businesses, I talk about things as far as residual income, instant commissions, those type of things. So that way you're going to get money once for the work that you did, and you're going to get money up front for the work that you're doing. I literally talk about these things because, guys, if you think about it, everything is online. A lot of the brick and mortar businesses are all dying out because of online. Amazon is coming through, and it's the job killer. It's killing jobs. And guess what? When people are losing their jobs, there's no way to put money to funnel it back into the community. And then the community, businesses closed because nobody's coming. Well, guess what? Nobody's making money. Okay? So what I wanted to talk to you guys about is why it's important to do your business. Why it's important to start a home-based business, guys. I told you before, I put information out that I've made money while I was out with my family. I've been sitting here watching TV and made money just sitting here because I've done the work. I've done a Facebook video, or I've done a YouTube video and put it out there, or I paid for a solo ad, Or, you know, I did a Craigslist ad or something and I'm generating leads, and then they're watching my videos and they're like, Jay, I like you. I want to join. Because I'm building a relationship with them. And guess what? Now they're in a position where they can be in the same position I'm in, where they can be home with their family making money. And guys, the things that I talk about are things that literally help you make money. And a lot of people look up network marketing. Look at the industry, man. That's $1 billion industry. So much money is being made. People are joining opportunities literally every day because they're looking for a second solution outside of their 9 to 5. What are you doing? Don't go look for a new job. Get positioned to get your own business going. Get behind someone or join something or someone that is going to make sure that you're going to get the right information. You're going to be in the right business, so that way you don't end up on the ground. Okay? It's easy to say, oh, he's in one of those pyramid things. He's in the online thing, guys. If you look at your corporate structure, guess who's with the pyramid and guess who's getting paid? The CEO. Okay? He's the one getting all the pay at the top, and you get the pennies. And if you don't have nobody fighting for you, you don't get nothing as far as benefits or incentives. So why would you keep doing this to yourself? Why? But then when someone out here is showing you, hey man, when you got someone next to you or you're watching a video and someone says, I just made $500 in 1 hour. Some people make $500 in a week. But then you got somebody that makes $500 in an hour. Someone that can make $100, $200 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day. These numbers that I'm throwing out there, these are real numbers that people are doing, okay? I know people making $1,000, having $1,000 days, $10,000 days, $5,000 days, $500 days, $100 days, $50 days. But guess what? They not leaving their family. And especially if it's a part-time type of business that they're running. So yes, their 9 to 5 may be their thing, but we're from 6 to 10, they're working on that business. Or from 9 to 12, they're working on that business. Some people have children, so they got to put them down, food and stuff like that. But they are eventually taking 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours to work on their business, to go out here and set up ads, to follow up with people that have inquired about your business. You know, to send out an email blast out to everyone that checked out your business, where you can say, hey, this is Jay, check out my video. You know, and this is all it is. I'm not writing a long, drawn out email. I'm sending this same video to everyone else just to say, man, this is why I'm telling you to look into a business. So that's why I want to talk about corporate America and how it's not fit for you and us. Social Security, they're saying, is going to be out by 2036, 2035, whatever it is. But guys, I have children. My children may not have Social Security by the time that they're getting old enough to have it. At that time, they're not going to have Social Security. And the government is about this much that they're paying towards all that stuff, man. So it's like, what is the problem? Why is the regular human person not taken care of? They're not. So what we're going to do is show you how to go out and do this yourself, okay? So guys, here's the thing. I want to introduce you to some programs here. Actually, a system that I have here. This system literally does everything for you as far as all the selling and telling. We give you everything you need to know as far as training goes. We have a support group that's going to help you out as well, guys. And we have people in this system making residual income and instant commissions. You know, the first income stream in this system, you're able to earn $100 up front. So think about that, guys. 3 people that come in the front end of the system is $300 that you can earn. Okay, the back end you can earn all the way up to $2,000 on the sale. So why would you not put yourself in a position to win? Don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, so guys, we're going to show you everything as far as financial education that you're going to learn, because when we're teaching you how to make money, guess what? You also got to know what to do with that money. So if that money is going to work for you in the background, we're going to show you things about stock options. We're going to show you how to invest that money in the CDs, IRAs, different things that you can do to let your money work for you. Okay, that's the financial literacy. We're also going to show you how to actually increase your your credit score. Okay, so it's a do-it-yourself credit repair system also on the back end of it. If you do work a 9 to 5, we're going to show you how to maximize your W-4, fill it out correctly, and unlock allowances. So now that way you're bringing home anywhere between $200 to $500 additional into your paycheck, and you can take that money and invest it in a new business, or invest it in something and make more money, or pay off more bills. Some people pay off their bills. So, an example, you have a car payment, and that car payment is $300 a month. you're getting an additional $500, increase that car payment now to $600, and now you're able to pay that car off in the less term that you may have signed up for. You get you picking up what I'm throwing down? All right. So the second end of that, guys, we're going to teach you marketing. We're going to have the marketing education. So with this second income stream, this is also teaching you how to master online marketing. So we're going to show you how to actually do solo ads. We're going to show you the ins and outs of, e-commerce. So there's a lot of different training steps. Now with this system, the commissions are earnable up to $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. So whichever level you come in at, you're comped at the rest of those levels at the bottom. But each level has a plethora of training that's going to show you how to master online marketing. So whatever level you come in at, you're going to get that plus whatever's at the bottom of those lists as far as the marketing, as far as training and everything else goes. So we're going to help you, but you have to also step up and get off your shoulders and do the work. You got to do the work, okay? If you don't take action, you don't do the work, guess what? Nothing happens. Just like that 9 to 5 that you choose to be in, you're going out, you're doing the work. When they tell you that you have a training to do, guess what? You learn that job so you can continue to make money. Why wouldn't you do the same thing for yourself? Why would you sign up for something and not go through the training? Why would you be a part of something and not go through the whole notion of saying, I want to learn this so I can take myself and my family to the next level? Why wouldn't you want to do that? Put yourself in a position, okay? Now here's the thing, guys. I'm gonna wrap this video because it's getting a little long. I'm at 11 minutes. But what I want you guys to do here, because I want to make myself available to you as well. So here's the thing. There's going to be a link at the bottom for you to set up your system here, set up your membership, and then start plugging into these income streams so that way you can be positioned. Only way I can help you in this is if you get going, okay? I can give myself up to you. I can say, here's my information, here's my email. You know, if you need me, text me, and then we can set up a time to call. But you have to do the step one and get going first, okay? So if you see, me, countless others, guys, and we're talking about this system, or we're talking about the income club that we're involved in, then you might want to take advantage of this because a lot of people are winning. A lot of people are making some good commissions with this. A lot of people are making some life-changing money, and why wouldn't you want to be a part of that life-changing situation? Okay? So, guys, I hope you guys found a lot of value from this video. So here's the thing we're going to do. I need you to hit the like button. Share this video with someone that definitely could use the information. If you are looking for an additional stream of income, we welcome you to the team. We're going to welcome you into our Facebook group, and we're going to definitely help you out, okay? So if you're ready to get going, there's going to be a link in the description. I'm also going to leave a pinned comment with the link for you to definitely click it and check it out, and just get set up, okay? If you have questions, reach out to me after you set up so we can also kind of go through different traffic strategies, guys. We have things that are in place as far as Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, literally everything that you need to get going, man. You just got to pick your poison. Do you want to be a video guy, a video girl? It's up to you. But my job is to make sure that I point you in the right direction, make sure that I be an assistance to you, your concierge, and make sure that you're good, man. I'm one of the sponsors that help. I don't go into the witness protection program. So it is what it is with me, guys. So here's the thing. Click that link, hit that like button like I said, and you know what to do. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. To the next video. Peace.